Executive English for AI governance, RAG status and remediation. Welcome. In this micro lesson, we'll craft executive-ready AI status updates that cut through noise. Your goal: make risk clear, fast, and neutral. No drama, just facts leaders can act on. This language should enable decisions across legal, tech, and operations, so everyone reads the same signal. We'll use a consistent RAG status paired with crisp actions to drive momentum. Avoid jargon that hides meaning. Prefer specific, testable statements anyone can verify. When your updates are concise, evidence-based, and action-oriented, executives decide quicker, teams align faster, and risk gets managed, not debated. Use RAG to label risk at a glance. Red means severe risk. Stop deployment or immediately escalate to decision makers. Amber signals a material risk that is currently contained. You have a plan and are driving remediation. Green indicates acceptable risk within defined thresholds. Keep monitoring and iterating. Gray means unknown. You lack evidence to rate. First, investigate and collect artifacts. Pair each color with the next action. Halt, contain, monitor, or investigate. This shared code avoids debates about adjectives and moves everyone toward decisive steps. For red, be direct and operational. Example: stop deployment, non-compliant with Control X. Immediately name the breached control and the impact window, e.g., user data exposure risk in last 24 hours. Assign a containment owner and ETA. Containment owner, Ops Lead, ETA 1400 Coordinated Universal Time. Then define the executive decision needed. Approve rollback, enable kill switch, or accept temporary downtime. Keep sentences short and verifiable. Red language should trigger action, not discussion, and make the path to safety unmistakable. For amber, show control and momentum. Start with risk contained, remediation in progress. Quantify exposure and user scope. Potential impact limited to 3% of beta users. No PII exfiltration observed. List active mitigations now. Throttling enabled, stricter prompts, additional logging. State a deadline to reach green or escalate. Green by Friday, 1700, else escalate to CTO for rollout decision. Amber should read as bounded, measured, and advancing toward closure with the clock running. For green, prove it. Start with control is effective per control ID. Add evidence source and date. Audit log review on the 1st of May 2025. Signed by risk. Confirm residual risk within threshold. Error rate less than 0.5%, below policy 1%. Specify next review cadence and owner. Weekly checks by Risk Ops Wednesdays. Green isn't cheerleading. It's verified compliance plus a monitoring plan. If challenged, your evidence and thresholds stand on their own. Use gray when you truly don't know. Say, evidence insufficient to rate. Then, list missing artifacts or tests. Model card, red team results, data lineage for training set. Assign an investigation task with SLA, owner ML lead. Deliver artifacts by 48 hours. Add temporary guardrails while learning. Rate limits. Human-in-the-loop approvals, scope restrictions. Gray should be short-lived. Either gather evidence to convert to green/amber, or escalate if blockers persist. Write plans that executives can inspect. Objective: state a measurable risk reduction, e.g., reduce hallucination rate from 3% to less than 1%. Actions: List owner, start, finish, and key dependencies. Eval Suite v2 ready by Tuesday. Milestones. Define criteria to move R right pointing arrow A, right pointing arrow G, such as passing red team tests and policy sign-off. Evidence. Specify logs, test results, and approvals to attach. Plans should read like checklists that survive scrutiny and guide daily execution. When reporting, lead with RAG, then give facts and asks. Use short, verifiable sentences. Who did what, when, with which evidence. Always tie updates to controls, impact, and time. Which control, how many users or dollars, and by when. Default to action owners and deadlines so nothing drifts. Example: status amber, exposure, 3% beta users. Mitigations active. Target green Friday 1700. Ask: approve extra red team hours. This clarity earns trust and accelerates decisions.